funky, the funky, the funkos.
Sex duration 40 seconds.
Funky D. Everybody, welcome back to Funky D. One. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the matter when day to day, the matter when one talk about, when one analyze today, the matter when concern that actress, what do they call Tonto DK, and her husband and her ex-husband, what do they call Church Hill. All right. So una don see a lot of things they happen. A lot of fight don't happen between these two people, this couple, this separated or divorced couple. So when we see the woman they on her own side they talk, waiting she they talk, and the man they his own side they reply to the woman. You know, I know see the main problem when they get be say Tonto Dike find out see the father of her ex-husband not be OBJ or Obasanjo, because it be like say the man tell him the initial time when they meet together, when they date as boyfriend and girlfriend, it be like say the man tell the woman say in papa na OBJ or Obasanjo. Even according to DK herself, don't confirm say the mother of the boy, the mother of her ex-husband, also tell and say herself na Obasanjo's wife. So you get now the thing don't they everywhere. Even the woman herself when be Tonto, they come out, even they put out everything in public. The woman don't say a lot of things about her ex-husband. Even things when nobody, when people not supposed to talk self, this woman don't come out on social media, put them out. Even they do the video, people don't interview her in many or in various occasions. Now, make we go into the matter, the main matter. The things when the lady they talk about her husband. You get the woman they talk say the time when he meet the man and the mama tell and say Obasanjo na him na son to Obasanjo's son, and the mama na Obasanjo's wife. Okay? So maybe na that one, not be maybe na that one trigger that woman when be Tonto Dike to go into marriage with a man. Now we they call that one point one. That woman na heavy gold digger. That Tonto Dike. Okay. Now the woman come to say, so how you go carry gold digger mentality enter your marriage? How you go the reason say, because we don't learn now say many of all these Nigerian actresses when they Nigeria there, all of them are gold diggers. In fact, that man when they call Timaya don't tell them many times. He don't tell them many, all of them are gold diggers. How you go carry gold diggers mind to your own marriage thing to DK? Funky did they ask you? You understand? So the woman come talk say a husband say the man na yahoo boy. You understand? Say he don't even meet the man late midnight when the man they use red candle, wear red pint, can't use red something to tie his waist with the computer when in they take they do, with a laptop when they take they do his yahoo when in they do. Say the man self not they agree they they feel they do the thing. Say the man self now only 40 seconds. The man they last. Say the only day when the man when be Church Hill, when the day when the man last 1 minute on top her. Now that day, in get belle for that man. Now that day, in taking for that Churchill. 1 minute, now the man last. On bed. She understand? So, in fact, the thing when this woman now, when they call Tontodike, the thing when she they do, ladies and gentlemen, a worst pass, the thing when she they do in real life. This thing now when she they come out, they talk in real life. Worst pass, waiting she they act. In fact, the ones then when they act before, when we don't like at all, the one now when she they do in real life. This one now when she they come out, they perform. They go everywhere, they narrate her husband. I say this one big pass whole Nollywood movie. In fact, now inside movie she for take do all these things when she they do when not make sense. Because this thing when the woman they do, when she they take her husband, own ex-husband, when she get picking for, she not even they consider the life of the baby. She not even they consider the life of the child when she born for the guy. She they come, they spoil the man, they tell the world, say the man na fraudster, the man na this, the man na thief, the man na this and that. Because fraudster is a thief. It's like you're obtaining what is not for you, taking something that does not belongs to you. The woman not the shame say ain't carry pikin for this man. I bet she not know say na the boy na that in pikin she dey spoil his name. So you they go into marriage because say the man papa na Obasanjo. I never see a gold digger like this woman before. This woman is a pure gold digger. But it can't dig rich counterfeit gold.
Fake gold.
I mean fake gold. Because she thinks say the original gold she the gold for. Meaning say the boy when they marry na Obasanjo pikin. Obasanjo when herself know say Obasanjo na evil man when be say na that man na he spoil that country. You supposed to be happy say your pikin not the answer that Obasanjo name because Obasanjo name is a disgrace to the nation. It's a disgrace to Nigeria or to Nigerians. You are supposed to be happy say your pikin when you born for that guy when they call Churchill say not be Obasanjo name in carry. Somebody marry you when they walk out and down for road. Somebody man when put you for house, come marry you at the end of the day. Maybe the thing one or they do not come work out again. It can't be like say you they go social media places to they spoil your ex-husband. Even they spoil your own personal son on top. Tell me the lesson now when they teach that your son when he grow, the thing when he go learn from you. Because you they do like say make you act like say you be good mother to the boy. This one, there is no good inside. You yourself, as Tontodike, you are a big gold digger. I never see a gold digger like this woman before. So now when you see say, because the thing when they, ladies and gentlemen, the thing when they paint this woman be say, she can't finally find out say this Churchill not be Obasanjo's son. Then say the Churchill papa now Obasanjo's gardener before. At the end of the day, the man can become Obasanjo's spiritual leader. So you understand? So now this woman now can no say Churchill not be Obasanjo picking. The thing can bust her head. Now make this you they see this woman up and down everywhere now they speak evil against her ex-husband. Nobody when they do this kind of thing. I never see a woman when go come out in public, they tell people say, they tell the world say her ex-husband they last 40 seconds on bed. Say the first time when the man, now make me I know say this story, now make me I know say the woman na big liar. Say the first time when the man last 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen, now she carried that belly. Now this thing confirm me say this story now confirm me say the girl now wayo person. The man himself on his own side don't let the world know say Tontodike na big drug addict. Say even 6 people, 6 men, 6 able-bodied men cannot hold Tontodike. after she don't smoke, waiting she dey smoke. And the world don't know because I know say get one time when police arrest the girl when the girl dey smoke drug. Life drug. When the thing can't go viral. The man can't say now the thing when the woman they smoke, now him make the girl they behave the way when she they behave that. The girl is so violent. The girl not be person when she stay with man. And even when you see him in the woman eye, you gonna say this woman, he gets something when they control this woman. Because where this woman can't gather mind, come out to the public, they speak like this to her ex-husband. I not believe him. I say, Tinto Dike, waiting you do, waiting you the things when you they narrate. I say the movies when you they act, they learn. This thing now when you they narrate, now inside movie for just use an art, that on a fake movie when on the art. We don't know say all the whole Nollywood actress, all of them are hustlers. They are all hustlers. They are all good diggers. Then go come and come and do like say they make 100 million, then get 200 million. How much only would they pay you in Nigeria when they take get 500 million? Okay, look at that one now when they read now when they everywhere now when they call Regina Daniel when you know say me Funky D not they like talk all this and but as the matter day today I go talk about the lady too a little bit. Then say that girl that one now go marry a man of how many years old? 59 years old. And herself now 19 years old. Make una see go digger. Because they say the man get money, the man do this, the man dey London, the man a businessman, the man a politician, the man carry mama, buy mama house, buy the girl cars, buy the everything. Look, waiting on one when be Nollywood actress, they teach the young ones when they grow the car. Waiting be that good thing now when make sense. Like this thing Tonto Dike. Waiting be that now when make sense when you they teach even that your son when they grow they come. When you get that God to come out in the public to the speak venom to your ex-husband. Because you discover say she not be the man not be Obasanjo's son. Waiting you they find for Obasanjo's hand. Now, the matana don't fall on top your head because you realize now, see, that good when you been they dig, they come, you come make the fake one. Because come be now, see, the man now, when you think see now Obasanjo's son, not be Obasanjo's son. This one don't show the word, say, you be pure good digger. 100% good digger. Likewise, other actress when they that country. Because the same way, then they all of them thinks, oh, I get $300 million. I want $1 million. I want $2 million. Where do you get $2 million in that Nigeria when we say now fire for fire, even to make $100,000 as a worker, no problem. So una go just they use that on a Nollywood, they cover on her face. Yeah, you know, they do underground job when they inside. Now the thing when una they do. So Tinto Dike, Funky D say all these things when they come out, they talk against your husband. Your husband don't come debunk and tell you, say, you be smoker, you be drug addict. That is why he not get your time. The man don't debunk a lot of things when you don't tell him, say, he not do him and he not do him. People don't talk, say, because you say the man a Yahoo boy, and the man rented house for you, the house one a day. Tell me, ladies and gentlemen, a man they pay 18 million in 2 years in Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen. 18 million for 2 years of rent. That person a poor man. I not see that guy as a poor person as Tonto Dike they claim. That guy not be poor man. For you to pay 18 million naira in that Nigeria when money not day, when business not day, when them Buhari and Obasanjo them don't spoil finish to they pay 18 million in 2 years, ladies and gentlemen, it not be easy matter, not be easy task. So the man tried a lot. It not easy. It not easy in Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen. The man have tried. Now we don't already hear say the man before he marry, according to the news, before the man married to this girl, or before they get married to the man, whichever way you may put it, they say the man gets 4 different companies. And since when the man and Tinto Dike split, they say the man don't add another 2 companies. That is making it 6. But Tinto Dike, they come out, they claim to the world, say the man na fake man. The man, they live fake life. So my question to you be, see, where if the man, they live fake life, where the man get 18 million when they pay for rent for every 2 years? Because not be poor man life be that. Poor man cannot ever afford even 500,000 apartment, not to talk of 18 million, you know. And you imagine the kind place when this kind of house when they live there. That's why they talk, say the man tried a lot. The thing when they pain Tinto Dike be say she miss roads. She they dig good, but they can't dig meet the fake one. Not come meet the original one. Because in between say, because when I know say God one of Obasanjo's son when we say the guy married before, the guy can't divorce. Tinto Dike herself, the thing say na that guy when he go marry. He no say na another different person when he go put her hand. Because he say he grab big meat. She not know say she grab 0. So I said this thing when they do in real life, the one when they do in your movie, they learn. So you fit carry this thing now, go so that people when they watch you, because we know say all of them are fake. Your movie they learn. The thing when they do real life, now something when we say nobody, no woman, I don't know. Now you be the only woman where I don't see when do this kind of a thing. You don't know say in this way. And your pikin name, your name, and your husband and your ex-husband name will spoil. They tell people see your husband. No man when no go last. No man when no go last even the 5 minutes on top woman in this world. No man. So Tinto Dike I debunk that your lie. If you say your man the last 40 seconds on top you, now why you the talk. Let's say 5 minutes. No man when no go last 5 minutes. What are you talking about? Where I say last 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, the only one when it lasts the highest now 1 minute. Oh, funky D. Yeah, sorry where would they hear this word, man? People they lie. People sabi lie. And if you see that Tinto Dike, that her eye everywhere, now lie. If you see her, everything na lie. Her breast na wayo, her ass na wayo, everywhere about her na wayo, her face na wayo. In fact, the man self when go meet this kind of person, I raised up for this man because for that man to be able to stand to Tinto Dike for 2 years, not be smart thing, the man might have gone through, ladies and gentlemen. Funky D. Now this story when I get for now today. When I see the woman, now she come and they talk and say the man not be better person. But we are here today to tell her that not be so supposed to be. One love everybody. Me wanna share my video. Share this video, scatter. Share and give Tinto Dike. I know say Tinto Dike, they see funky D. But now this one now your turn. May you manage this video. Now because of you make me make this video because you they come they insult everybody, including your body, yourself, your son, all the whole man when did this life, you they insult everybody. So that's why I just say I just make this video give you one love everybody. One love. Make sure you subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. When you subscribe, they share, they press that bell sign when they so that anytime when Funky D upload, now first get my video. Funky D. Wow. Thank you.